If you love crispy parathas with a spicy, flavorful filling, this egg paratha is the perfect recipe for you. It's a quick and tasty breakfast or evening nasta that you can make with simple ingredients. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Tanzina. So let's make the recipe. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything nicely. Now gradually add water as required and knead it into a soft, smooth dough. Make sure the dough is not too sticky or too hard. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan on medium flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon cumin and 2 tablespoon finely chopped onion. Saute until golden brown. Add 1 chopped tomato, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix well and cook until the tomatoes become soft. Now add 2 eggs into the mixture and mix continuously until everything is well combined. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are fully cooked. Now cool down the mixture completely. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it out into a medium-sized circle using a rolling pin. Spread some of the egg mixture in the center evenly. Spread some water in the edges before folding. Now fold the edges like this. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Place the stuffed paratha carefully and fry one side until golden brown. Flip and fry the other side as well. Continue flipping until both sides are crispy and perfectly cooked. Once done, remove the paratha from the pan and place it on a plate. You can use a paper towel to absorb extra oil. You can make this paratha in breakfast, lunch or even quick dinner. Once you try it, you will never want to skip making it again. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.